and ground, Marquetti 28 uniform.
Marquetti 28 uniform, Lewiston Tower. Good morning.
I have the numbers on VFR up to 37 ID, and I'd like runway 12 departure at Delta.
Marquetti 28 uniform, Lewiston ground, runway 12 at Delta, taxi as requested via Delta, wind calm, altimeter 3010.
Understand, cleared for takeoff.
Mobile 4, remain off runway 1230 RSA, the approach end of runway 30 for departing traffic, runway 12 at midfield. Marquetti 28 uniform, Lewiston Tower, runway 12 at Delta, cleared for takeoff.
28 uniforms cleared for takeoff at Delta 12, thanks.
Marquetti 28 uniform, when able, request you change to frequency 119.4.
Sorry about that, yep. Tower 20 uniforms up.
Marquetti 28 uniform, roger, runway 12 at Delta, cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff. Check! Scramble for Cypress on first.
Mobile 4, proceed on Charlie. 4, use caution. There are people running up to that aircraft, so make sure you don't run over anybody.
Scramble 4, roger.
Any vehicles on ground frequency that are going to that accident, you are free to proceed onto the movement areas at any point. CFR 74, if you are on frequency, proceed Foxtrot Alpha and, Foxtrot, then Charlie, cross runway 1230. Engine 74, you may proceed to the accident as requested.
Request permit to proceed with CFR 74.
Engine 74, proceed to the accident as requested via Charlie 4, Charlie.
Scramble 4, let's cross runway 120 on Foxtrot.
Mobile 4, cross runway 30 at Foxtrot.
Scramble 4, cross runway 120 at Foxtrot. Scramble 4, that's the runway 120 at Foxtrot, let's Foxtrot Alpha Alpha 2, cross runway 8202.
Mobile 4, proceed Foxtrot Alpha Alpha 202, cross runway 826.
This is Scramble 4, proceed Foxtrot Alpha Alpha 2, cross runway 826. This is Scramble 4, that's runway 826, as well as movement area.
Mobile 4, roger, thank you.
Lewiston ground, Mobile 6.
Mobile 6, Lewiston ground.
Ground Mobile 6 would like to proceed Charlie 4.
Mobile 6, proceed Charlie 4. Mobile 6, you kind of broke up there at the end. You're requesting Charlie 4, then where you want to go? Proceed Charlie 4, correction, Mobile 6, proceed Charlie 4 or Charlie Foxtrot Alpha, cross runway 1230, hold short, runway 8.
Lewiston ground, Mobile 6 proceeding Charlie 4, Foxtrot, cross runway 1230, Foxtrot Alpha, holding short, runway 8.
This is ground Mobile 4 here at the AOB, let's proceed Zulu 2, cross runway 8 Alpha 2.
Mobile 4, proceed Zulu 2 Alpha 2, cross runway 8.
This is ground Mobile 4, proceed Zulu 2, cross runway 8 Alpha 2. This is ground Mobile 4, that's the runway 8 at Alpha 2, let's proceed Alpha Foxtrot on to runway 1230.
Mobile 4, proceed Alpha Foxtrot onto runway 1230, use caution with Mobile 6 off your right hand side.
This is ground Mobile 4, proceed Alpha Foxtrot on to runway 1230, use caution.
Mobile 6, proceed Alpha 2 Zulu 2, cross runway 8. Mobile 6, proceed Alpha 2 Zulu 2, cross runway 8.
Cross runway 8. Mobile 6 is detected runway 8.
Helicopter 359er Echo Victor, Lewiston Tower, say again your position. Helicopter 9er Echo Victor, proceed direct to the airport, wind calm, altimeter 3009er, report 1 mile to the west.
Lewiston Tower, Scout 4229, is there any closures with the event today?
Skywest 4229, Lewiston ground. I don't have that information just yet, but as soon as I get an update, I'll let you know.
Okay, yeah, thanks, and sorry, Scout 4229.
All good. Mobile 4, say again.
Ground Mobile 4, this is runway 120, Foxtrot Alpha, Alpha 2, cross runway 8 Zulu 2.
Mobile 4, proceed Foxtrot Alpha, Alpha 2, Zulu 2, cross runway 8.
This is ground Mobile 4, proceed Foxtrot Alpha, Alpha 2, cross runway 8 Zulu 2.
Medical Victor 1 mile out.
Helicopter 9er Echo Victor, landing at Hillcrest will be at your own risk. Use caution. Remain on the south side of runway 1230 at all times.
Roger, Mr. Alpha, the runway 120. Medical Victor.
Ground Mobile 4.
Mobile 4, Lewiston ground.
Ground Mobile 4, like to proceed Zulu 2, cross runway 8 to Alpha 2.
Mobile 4, hold short of runway 826 at Zulu 2. Correction, you can proceed Zulu 2, Alpha 2, Alpha Foxtrot, cross runway 826.
Mobile 4, thank you, proceed Zulu 2, cross runway 826, Alpha 2, Alpha Foxtrot. Mobile 4 is at runway 826 at Alpha 2, let's proceed Alpha Foxtrot on to runway 1230.
Mobile 4, proceed Alpha Foxtrot on to runway 1230.
Mobile 4, proceed Foxtrot on to runway 1230.
Lewiston Ops to the tower, Lewiston Ops to the tower.
Lewiston Ops, this is Tower.
I have a police officer here. They're trying to figure out how to get in and have a conversation with you folks. Can we help them with that?
Lewiston Ops, are you referring them to come up into the tower or on the ground? Lewiston Ops, stand by just for one.
Copy that.
The ground 4 has entered runway 120 at Foxtrot, let's proceed Foxtrot Alpha, Alpha 2, cross runway 820.
Mobile 4, proceed Foxtrot Alpha, Alpha 2, Zulu 2, cross runway 826.
Lewiston ground 4, thank you, proceed Foxtrot Alpha, Alpha 2, cross runway 826 to Zulu 2. And is there a NOTAM in the system yet?
Mobile 4, I am on the page now, so I'll refresh it real quick just to make sure it is there.
If there's not, I haven't issued one yet, so I just didn't know if anyone else has.
Oh, Mobile 4, roger. Let me check real quick and then I'll get right back to you.
Sounds good, thank you.
Mobile 4, I do not see a NOTAM on there for any airport or runway closures. Lewiston Ops, Lewiston Tower.
Lewiston Ops, go ahead.
Yeah, Lewiston Ops, just to kind of go over the conversation about having the police officers up in the tower. Unfortunately, due to company standards with COVID going on, we're not allowed to have anybody up here. Lewiston Ops, my manager is on the phone with one of the officers at this moment, so she's talking to him now.
Thank you.